Good day, class. Good day, mom. I am Juan Arleragun Jr., NWSSU student from College of Agricultural and Technology, BSA, major in Animal Science, third year student. I'm going to discuss about the introduction to animal nutrition. So in this video, we will going to discuss about the introduction to animal nutrition from monogastric animals, fowl, and ruminant. We will go into a topic about the digestive system, and we will going to tackle about the nutrients, 6 basic nutrients and nutritional needs of an animal. We will going to discuss the source of nutrients, balancing ration, and factor influencing ration and ingredients. So feeding animal correctly in terms of both the amount and the type of feeds supply is extremely important for production, since it helps us to ensure the animal is healthy and productive. It is therefore important to understand exactly how the digestive system process feed, so the animal can use nutrients properly. First, we will going to tackle about the monogastric animals, for example, the swine animal. The term monogastric refers to a structure of a stomach. In monogastric digestive system, the stomach has a simple structure consisting of a single compartment. So, for example, the swine, so sa swine have a common digestive system. For example, the part of it is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, cecum, anus, colon, rectum, including gallbladder, liver, and pancreas. Also, the fowl have a monogastric system, but it have a slight different from the fowl or the avian, or example chicken, different from the swine. They have several organs that are not presented in the swine. For example, the digestive system of fowl, for example chicken, is the beak, the esophagus, the crop, proventriculus, the gizzard, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, vent, cecum, followed by liver and pancreas. So they are both monogastric animals, but in fowl, it have some additional or different digestive system. In monogastric animals, they have the function and parts of the digestive system. They are divided into 4 sections. Based on their function. The section consists of the parts leading to the small intestine, large intestine, and the parts allowing exit of salt waste. So, other part are organ before the small intestine. That is one section. The small intestine itself, the second section, the third section is large intestine itself, and for the fourth section is the after the organ after the large intestine. So what is the function of this four section? For example, the function of the parts leading to the small intestine is to reduce the size of feed particle. So sa madaling salita, ginmumulino, or they digest the feed into smaller part to become more digestible, or mas madali siya ma-absorb. The function of the small intestine naman is siya yung kumukuha ng nutrient. The small intestine, the one who absorb nutrient from that small particles of feeds. So again, before small intestine, the digestion is ginugugutiay, no? pipino niya ang feed para madali makuha nutrients. Pag abot sa small intestine, kukuha na niya nutrients. Sa large intestine naman is the large intestine is consists of more absorption of nutrients and water. So gintatry niya and feed. That is second level of digestion of nutrients. So nakuha ng feed, nakuha ng nutrients na, nakuha ng water, consists the moist. So that is the last section of the digestive system of monogastric animal, is the exit of waste. So including na nga daan rectum and anus and vent or ano pa man na ginaagian sa nugaw sa monogastric animal. In summary, the stomach of monogastric animal is only a simple structure of a single compartment. So the various parts of the digestive system works together to digest food and absorb its nutrients to the body in a usable form, including the function of digestive juices and enzyme that plays an important role in breaking down the feed for absorption. So let's proceed to the ruminant. Actually, the digestive system of monogastric and ruminant are almost the same, because some of parts of the ruminant digestive system are the same as those monogastric, but the other parts are very different. May pagkakaiba sila because the monogastric digestive system, food enters to the mouth, parts to the esophagus, to the stomach. But the ruminant, the stomach is divided into 4 compartments called the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and ovimasum. So depending to the type of feed, it may pass through the whole compartment or either skip some. Then when the stomach completes its function, the feed moves to the small intestine and proceed to the caecilium, colon, rectum, and the lard, and so on. So this is the parts of the digestive system of ruminant. For example, the cow or the cattle. From the mouth, esophagus, and the rumen, which is the rectum, omasum, ovimasum. And next is the duodenum. Also have gallbladder, liver, pancreas, rectum, anus, colon, cecum, and small intestine. So just like the stomach of monogastric animals, the purpose of the stomach of the rumen is to digest food, but it have 4 compartments, and we will discuss the function of it. Just for example, the rumen, which is also called the paunch, is the largest of the stomach compartment. It helps to break feed down so that it can be digested. After the rumen, we have the reticulum. So it calls the honeycomb because of its structure on the inner wall of the compartment. It pumps raw phage back to the mouth through the esophagus for ruminant, which is the raising of feed in the form of the cud. The reticulum also works with the rumen in the breakdown of feed. Next is the omasum. The function of the omasum or menopause is not fully understood. However, the scientists have found that the omasum absorbs some water and it's involved in the absorption of nutrients. The ovimasum naman is referred as the true stomach. The functions are very similar to those in the monogastric stomach. In the abomasum, digestive juices containing acids and enzymes are added to aid in digestion. So when it comes to the digestive process, it involves not only the digestive juices in the ruminant, not only the digestive juices and enzyme, They also found but the activity of microorganism found in the stomach. So example, before feeds pass to the mesosomes and mesosomes, they move through either reticulum or lumen and reticulum. So we have presence of three types of microorganism: the bacteria, protozoa, and fungi. These bacteria are present to help the digestion of food. Now let's go to the importance of meeting nutritional needs. So water and feed contain substance called nutrients, and the digestive system of ruminant and monogastric animal can extract the nutrients. What is nutrients? Nutrients are elements or chemical compounds that support the life process of animal. They are allowed to the animal to maintain its bodily function by engaging the cell of the body and fueling their growth and function. So we will now move to the 6 basic nutrients what the animal need. So that is water, protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, and mineral. Later on, we will discuss what is the importance of that 6 basic nutrients in the animals. So we will now go to discuss the nutritional needs of an animal. Nutritional needs vary depending on the needs of the animal for health and for life stages of maintenance, conception and gestation, lactation, and growth and development. So for example, in the stage of maintenance, maintenance has the lowest level of nutritional requirements, and they must be met before the nutrients need are considered. The next stage is conception and gestation, the main concern, because meeting additional nutrients need to ensure the good fetal growth and maintain the health of the mother, because in this stage may siya meron siyang ginbukrod or naanak, so mas kinahanglan niya damo nutrients. The next is lactation, is milk produce. Many additional nutrients are needed to produce milk, including proteins, minerals, vitamins, fats, and carbohydrates. So this is also a vital part of nutrients, giving nutrients, the lactation. Next is the growth and development, because animal also has special nutrients requirements for growth and development. As grown animal increases the number of cells and tissue level, muscles are built, and bone and connective tissue are produced to accomplish this task. An increased amount of protein is needed. So for the better growth and development, so additional nutrients need to meet, because nutrients are important in maintaining the health or well-being of the animal in all the life stages. So nutrients are needed to carry out vital bodily function. Another important factor in animal nutrients is about the balancing of ration. No? So a balanced ration provides the proper level of nutrients for an animal. The objective of balancing ration is to meet the animal's nutritional needs, which feed that supplies each nutrients in the proper amount and proportion. So several methods may be used to balancing the ration. In balancing the ration or the nutrients and ration is important, because we need to identify what specific nutrients are the most needed of our animals. For example, if the animal is needed for more protein, more fats, so we have to consider about it and give a proper ration on how many percent this feed contains of carbohydrates, of protein, fats, and how more we will going to feed them depending on their needs. So balancing the ration is also vital for uh, for the nutrients and the well-being of our animals. That is almost introduction or the summary of the introduction of the to animal nutrition. So I hope this video helped you to understand the process of animal nutrition and the important and vital parts on how we or paano tayo hahatag ang nutrients sa ating alaga ng mga hayop, on how we balance our ratio, the importance of nutrients, what stages do we need to more focus when providing supplements and nutrients to our animals. And we also learn about the digestive system of ruminant and monogastric animals. That is also a vital information we need to know to learn if we're going to raise an animal. I hope you'll learn something in this discussion. That's all. Thank you.